Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a really quick haul. I was waiting for this order and it just came in today. I got it on Amazon, and basically it's the Crocodile Kit. Let me take this out. And more beads. Or not beads, but grommets. Okay. So I priced this against scrapbook.com and it was more expensive. So when I checked on Amazon, it was cheaper, and it had the free shipping for the Prime, Amazon Prime. So I'm excited to get playing with this. I want to see. Gosh, I thought it would be bigger. Okay, let's see. Just cut this open and get into it. Is it wanting to come open? There we go. There we go. Crocodile. We are memory keepers. And it came with the case. The one on scrapbook.com that came with the case, same thing. It had the case, it had the crocodile, and it was just like 30 something dollars, where compared to this one it was 20 something. Oh, I like these. So I could have used this. I could still probably use this on my memory decks that I made this morning with the girls, with the ladies. And probably put a grommet on there. I've never used it. I love this case. This is so cool. I never had one, so let's see how it goes. I don't know how to open it. Oh, there we go. Open wide. And I'm wondering if these are different sizes. How do you... That's crazy. Oh, nice. Does this change? Ooh, this changes too. Very nice. Now, how do you know? I guess you should just read the directions, Eileen. There are 4 different sizes. This is number 1. This is number 2, number 3, number 4. So this is B and C. A, B is, there's nothing on there. C and D. So there's nothing on these 2. That's funny. So there's just going to be some learning for me to do, but that is what comes with it. Comes with the black grommets. Sorry for the shadow. My light is not wanting to cooperate. It's probably going to be the next thing I get on Amazon. Here's the white grommets, or eyelets, whichever one you want to call it. These are like antique brass. Very nice. And then there's silver. That is cool. All right. And I'm guessing these are hole punchers right here. So there's a 1/8 inch, and this one is, I believe it's a 3/16 inch. Those are huge. All right, let me see. Let me see. Get a paper, a piece of paper. Grab something to punch. Here we go. So let's see what this one is. Very tiny. That's the 1/8 inch. And what is this one? Oh yeah. 3/16 of an inch. I got some playing to do with this thing. That's cool. I love that. So I believe this was $27 for this whole kit. Okay. And to lock it in place, put that gear back there. That's so cool. Sorry. Now I also picked up this little pack, and this is Panda Haul Elite, and this sounds familiar because I believe BB Crafts carries this line, Panda Haul, I guess. So it comes in a case. Very cool. That's what it says there, Panda Haul Elite, creativity on fingertips. Okay. And let me see, get this open. And it has its own little case. That's cool. So these are mostly for like beading. So you have these spacers. I believe these are spacer caps. Yep, these are flat. Right? I thought these were pretty. So around the same time I ordered those heart beads that I shared in my last video, I ordered these the same time, and these are just getting into me now. They were supposed to be delivered Friday, but it's Thursday, guys. I'll take it though. It's cool. And look at these little spacers. That's so pretty. I love how it has its own container too. So everything is together. So these would be great touches for our paper beads that we're all working on. Those are cute. I'm happy with this one. Happy with this purchase. And then the next thing, I believe this is also grommets. This is a set. That's what the sticker says. So you have plastic, and then you also have the box itself. Yes. This was so much cheaper through Amazon compared to scrapbook.com. They had the same set, I believe. So we have, there's 60 here, 4 different shades of green. You see that? This is the darkest, and then you go down, this is the lightest. Darkest, medium, medium, light. So that's cool. That's 0.5 centimeters. These purple, some purple eyelets. And then we have the, like the ones we have in here in the kit. The antique brass, this copper, there's gold, there's another copper, 2 different copper, or brown, sorry. Then there's this one. This is a real brown, a really deep red, and then like a lipstick red and a pink. This is so much cheaper with this Amazon. And then you have, I don't know what color that is, but these are like the silvers. Very nice. And this one, this is black, gray, another kind of gray, and then a white, more white. And these are all 0.5 centimeters. So I am so happy. This is totally worth it, guys. 1, 2, 3, yes, there's 6 of them. And then you have the eyelet, and it was free shipping for Amazon Prime. And this cute little case, I don't know why I was thinking it would be so much bigger. Maybe there is a bigger one, but I'm happy with this. Very happy. Now I have to practice on my Memory Dex card. So see, I put a dangle on here, but there's no grommet, and it just so happened to fit the hole perfect. So that's what I'm going to work on. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you on the next video.